Okay, this video is just briefly to summarize how you can save an output file in SPSS. So what I'm going to do is to generate just a quick output file for some various descriptive statistics and then save the file. So basically we're just going to treat these variables right here as being intervally scaled. So I'm going to ask for some descriptives, and specifically I'm going to ask for mean, median, mode, variance, standard deviation, range, and skewness and kurtosis, and so forth, and go from there. So I'm going to select one of these. I could actually select all of these to tell you the truth, but I'm just going to do one at a time for this illustration. So I'm going to ask for mean, median, mode, variance, standard deviation, range, skewness, and kurtosis. Basically, I'm just going to just generate an output file. That's the main objective of this video. So at any rate, here's an output file. If I want to generate outputs related to the other variables, I could do that just as easily. In fact, I could even build if I want to. So you'll see that I'll have an output for each of these other files variables as well. So there are the outputs, frequency distributions for Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4, histograms, and so forth. The main objective here, like I said, is just to show you how to save the file. You go to File, Save As. Then what I'll do is I'm just going to give this a quick name. I'll just call this New Output. The file extension is .spv, so if you just say .spv and then save, then now this file is now saved. So if I go to File, Open, I'm going to go to Output, and there it is right here. So I can just click on it, and there's my output file. So that's how you can save your output file after generating output using SPSS.